Why turmeric is healthy for women. 7 facts. You may have heard of turmeric or read about it in countless recipes, but many people probably don't know how beneficial it is. Turmeric originates from Asia, where it's used in traditional medicine. In addition to being a staple spice in kitchens, this herb is very much like ginger in terms of flavor and health benefits. This herb has been used for thousands of years, and today, many studies suggest its efficacy, stating that the medicinal compounds in turmeric can be more potent compared to 20 different prescription medications sold in pharmacies. So why is turmeric so special? One word: curcumin. Curcumin is an active compound found in turmeric that's so beneficial that so many supplements and teas containing it are sold in groceries today. It is an anti-inflammatory, which means that it helps the body fight health problems such as cell damage. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory effect is fast-acting too. It won't take a million cups of turmeric tea to feel a difference. Let's now go over the 7 interesting facts about this herb. Number 1. Pain relief. As we mentioned, curcumin is anti-inflammatory, which plays a huge role in reducing pain. Several conditions are characterized by physical pain, such as osteoarthritis, which is caused by damage in the joints. Consuming turmeric regularly can help alleviate the symptoms of this condition. Number 2. Blood sugar control. Our blood sugar levels fluctuate throughout the day, and the body is good at regulating this. The body goes through a lot of adjustment when you're hungry, full, thirsty, etc. But when blood sugar levels get out of control, many conditions such as diabetes and obesity would follow. Turmeric helps regulate blood sugar, so getting curcumin every day is important. Number 3. Fights bad bacteria. Want to know a quick skin treatment that can help prevent breakouts? You can use turmeric powder for your face. It's safe and it's antimicrobial, which means it can keep you free from bacteria that cause acne. Just follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Mix a few tablespoons of honey and a few teaspoons of turmeric powder in a bowl. Step 2. Once they've blended together, apply the mixture to your face evenly until you have a mask made with it. And the last step, wash your face after 5 minutes. This is important because letting it sit for too long can stain the skin too. Number 4. Helps detoxify the body. Curcumin helps the liver detoxify itself. Our liver acts as a cleaning organ, keeping the blood clean from toxins and harmful substances. It also produces hormones needed by the body, so curcumin ultimately helps protect the liver to ensure good functioning. Number 5. Keeps the arteries healthy. Heart health depends on what we put in our bodies, and curcumin is really good at cleaning out the arteries from plaque buildup, which is made up of fats, cholesterol, and harmful waste that are a result of a high cholesterol diet. This effect helps keep blood pressure within the normal range. So even though most of the foods we eat have cholesterol, our cardiovascular system stays strong because of the turmeric in our diet. Number 6. Turmeric can easily be made into tea. Drinking turmeric tea is one simple way you can welcome all these benefits into your system. Here's a good recipe. First, add a cup of coconut milk to a pot and turn the heat on. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder once the coconut milk becomes hot. Mix them well and your turmeric tea is ready. This recipe has this exotic touch into it, and if you know other exotic tea recipes, let us know in the comments below. Our channel has lots of content about health and weight loss, so be sure to check out our videos, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications. Number 7. Turmeric suppresses weight gain. A Tufts University study suggested that curcumin can suppress the growth of fat tissues. In addition, turmeric helps keep our metabolism running. Well-functioning metabolism is a key in turning food into energy instead of body fat. There is a Japanese recipe that combines turmeric extract with other high antioxidant ingredients to make a tonic you can easily prepare and drink in the morning. There's a story about a 45-year-old mother of 3 who became severely obese as she thought she was going to die from a heart attack. Her 3 kids are so young and she wants to be there when they finish school and all other achievements they may have in their lives. That was when she started taking her health seriously. She found this Japanese weight loss recipe that uses turmeric and drank it every morning. Her belly fat melted like butter and she gradually felt better. 7 weeks later, she was overjoyed to see that her weight dropped by 54 pounds. If you want to see the video about this woman's story and what's in that Japanese drink, click the link in the description below. Do what it takes to improve your health and you won't regret it. Wasn't turmeric so great? Do you know good recipes that use turmeric? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to check out our channel as we have lots of other videos about taking care of your health to stay in shape. Thanks for watching and see you next time.